The best passive income online business is not drop shipping or Instagram theme pages or TikTok or affiliate marketing. Besides, you can start with zero money. The business model we're about to introduce to you makes money with all those sources combined, plus a regular paycheck from YouTube every single month. You will be able to work from everywhere, be your own boss, and gradually reduce your work time to 2 hours a day or less. Many people are doing it. They changed their lives and are now able to design their days the way they want to. The best passive income online is with no doubt YouTube automation. It's the simple concept when you make videos on YouTube without showing your face, using your voice, or even editing the videos yourself. Many people are earning a lot of money from it, and you could be the following one. This is the kind of speech that makes you dream, but you absolutely can turn your dreams into reality if you jump into the YouTube automation business. And in case you're doubting what we just said, let us show you some stats. This channel right here is making millions, and its revenue is increasing from month to month. We made a study case about Temp Not Time Lapse, where we went through the exact elements that made this channel this successful. And if you watch this video until the end, you'll get all the information you need about YouTube automation, a business model also known as cash cow and faceless channels. Actually, it's quite simple. With YouTube automation, you can become a successful YouTuber without even showing up on camera, the way well-known YouTubers do. You will create videos in private, then show them to the world from the comfort of your room. First, you need to pick a niche, and we have many ideas for you to help choose the topic you want to build your YouTube automation channel about. So make sure to subscribe. We don't give general ideas. We make research to help you find the exact angle you must adopt in each niche and the strategy to follow for your YouTube channel to stand out. But to summarize, you have to pick a niche, whether with a low to average CPM, which is how much advertisers pay for 1,000 views, but a million views potential such as the advertisement niche, or a niche with a high CPM like insurance, crypto, and finance. Then you're going to need a script, a voiceover, and some editing work. You can buy all those services from a freelance platform called Fiverr. With deep research, you'll find people you can hire to write your script, record the voiceover for your videos, and edit the video, no matter how low your budget is. Once your channel is filled with quality content, every single video will generate money from Google AdSense and from multiple sources like affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and so on. That's why YouTube automation is the best online business you can start. You'll be able to diversify your income sources and benefit from all the traffic other platforms can bring you. But what makes this passive income idea more interesting than any other one is that you can start even if you don't have any money. However, if you're not willing to spend money, you'll have to put into work yourself. In other words, you'll have to write a script, record a voiceover, and edit the video. Don't worry, people with no particular skills were able to successfully create their videos themselves. And we won't tell you to buy some course. All the informations you need are available for free on YouTube. Since we know that you can easily feel lost with a tremendous number of tutorials, we made this channel by doing all the research needed in order to summarize the most important points and create straight-to-the-point videos. Even someone with zero knowledge about YouTube video creation can find accessible guidance to start earning money with this business model. Once your channel starts earning money, you can use it to hire people and outsource the work. That's when things become interesting. You'll end up with a real business, a real team taking care of the channel and publishing content on a regular basis. As the owner, you will build a money-making machine, a consistent passive income that some are calling the new real estate. Faceless channels are the proven business model that can make you rich if you put in the effort for some time. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick kind of plan. It's a real business you need to build gradually, learn through the process, and come up with a winning formula you can apply to launch other channels. Most YouTube automation millionaires own something between 5 and 10 channels. They have a team doing all the work while they focus on looking for their next channel idea. Subscribe to our channel to get all the information you need to build a passive income that's going to make you leave your 9-to-5 job and not worry about money for the rest of your life.